Alright, so here we go with the hammer built tailgate reinforcement plate. I got this in today. I ordered this a while back. I also ordered the MaxTrax mounting plate that goes on this thing. It's not ready yet. They're still doing some R&D on it, so I was going to have them just ship it all at once, save them a little extra shipping money, but he just went ahead and shipped this, which is very nice though. I appreciate that. The rough country kit I'm not overly impressed with. For one, they didn't fully cut out the R. And now, granted, they did tell me on Instagram that I could call and they'd send me a replacement, but I ain't gonna bother with it. But anyway, so this kit comes with this piece here, and I'm sure as most of you guys see, you mount this like in this area. Since I do have 37s, I will go as far over as I can on mine. Looks like you can go all the way out to here. But we'll see. We'll work on that when we get there. They also have a relocation for the brake light. So I bought this a while back too. So it comes with the hardware included as well. So just so you know. And it works with Sasquatch and non-Sasquatch models, which some of the other ones, i.e. rough country, don't, and four-wheel parts don't. So I do like the fact that I have that option. Here are the hardware parts for the tailgate brace itself. So I like the way they're, I don't usually like logos, but this is pretty cool how they did theirs. So if you're into hammers like I am, Stan Lee and Chris Fillmore's autograph Mjolnir. Just a little side joke. Bird dog approved, right, Whitten? Put on. I probably won't go into step-by-step detail because there's a ton of videos out there that show this. I will probably reuse the relocation bracket. It's the piece that mounts right in here that is from rough country. I'll probably just use it with this, and it basically raises the spare tire upward and outward. A little extra departure angle. So I probably will still use that unless I get on there and I can't. It's not compatible. I don't see why it wouldn't be. So anyway, just want to point this out to you guys, and we'll get this rolling. Hammer built tailgate assembly. The tailgate reinforcement pit itself is installed. I still have to install the bracket that goes right in here, as you all seen in some of the videos. But I also put the hammer built brake light extension on, as we discussed previously. Now this makes this thing pretty tight. You probably could pop something loose back there to give it a little bit more slack. But all that's going to be covered by the, it's snapped in there good. So I know it's going to be covered by the tire anyway, so I'm not overly worried about it. You'll be able to see that, but that'll get that brake light up a little bit so people can actually see it now. So I'm going to install the bracket here. Now, like I said before, I did order a MaxTrax plate. They're still finishing up their development on that. So that will allow me to mount my MaxTrax, traction boards on the back here. I don't really use Rotopacks that much. I may get a white one again like I had with the 4Runner for potable water. So, especially for the dogs and such. So, anyway, just want to show this to you guys real quick. All right, so it's on. Got the bracket. There is a very little bit of space. It is 37s. Very little space. So I don't know if you want to put something on there. You might have to take the spare tire off first, or take the bracket back off, which I don't think would be very conducive. But we'll see once the MaxTrax board gets in. By far, a lot better look than the rough country. So as you all can well see. So anyway, and here is the spare brake. Or sorry, the brake light. Raised up where you can actually see it from driving behind me now instead of hugging the top of the tire. So yeah, overall, great looking product. Glad I got this. So I'll put a link down below for an installation video and also a link to their website if you want to go buy one for yourself. Definitely recommend it. Bye-bye.